Maybe it's off by -1.
Oh, that makes sense.
Poster or something. I didn't send the ticket. Oh shit, which should I be, red or blue? Try out this gun.
Got the right.
Yeah. Or in the Facebook group.
I should put my earbuds in. Fucking every time they're like right behind me.
Why are you climbing up the stairs on your
I'm gonna get
floor?
killed before this is over. Jesus. Oh, sorry. Fucking thing like quit pumping and everything.
Okay.
It's pumped. Why the fuck didn't it fire?
Didn't have a shell loaded. Pumped it without anything in there.
That's a laser on him.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, god damn it. What was that? Yeah, I know. I thought that was an enemy.
Apparently you gotta know this fucking board to play it.
Wait,
Why
I
is it
walk
shooting
down this
so
hallway.
fucking late?
Oh, we might have to reset the boundaries on this because it keeps telling me I'm like too close. So we should do
Too
that
close,
after
man.
this
Too
round.
close.
I know, I'm too
nice shot.
close. See, that guy's telling me I'm too close.
Get him. Can they not go off?
Oh, he got me.
Alright.
Oh.
Playing the fucking SEAL Team 7 or something. How the fuck did I take a bullet
Son of
through
a
that asshole?
bitch.
Yeah. How many times I died? 8? Alright. No, I've never even seen this board. I can't even leave the one spot because everyone's sitting in the same fucking spot. It's like they know where I am and I'm coming.
I can hear you moving around. If you crouch, you make no noise.
Oh. What? Oh.
Loading. Come on, motherfucker, grab shells. Yeah.
It's
Nope.
Yeah, someone was actually talking about doing that last night.
Got one of them.
Oh,
Game over.
Yeah,
Oh,
fuck, got 2 kills.
wow.
I shut the mic off. These guys